We build exhibition stands and exhibition infrastructure. And in that process, we pull together a range of items like flooring, graphics, that's where we use the printing, furniture, structures to make an exhibition stand. Our business was formed in 1996, so we're currently on the 18th year. Before the funding in this division or operation, we had 6 people, and we now have 10. One of the main challenges is timing. Our business is about very, very tight deadlines. We can't never tell our customers, sorry, we didn't build your stand on time, we'll build it tomorrow, because the event has already started. So our deadlines are very real, and that's a massive challenge in terms of what we do. We used, years ago, about 10 years ago, we used the DTI for another round of funding. So I always knew there were programs available. And then when we were looking at funding this fabric printing machine, we obviously remembered the previous funding offer, and that's how I got in touch with the DTI in terms of this offering. Well, we've obviously received a financial benefit. I think it's about 450,000, and that was used to partially fund the machine. Okay, well, the program's actually really enabled us to buy the correct machine. There are various machines out there, but because we had extra funding available, we could actually choose the best machine which was available for us and for what we do. So it really enhanced our capacity and capabilities. We've got 4 new employees. We are planning another 2 next year. So we obviously just rolled out with the program. So it's created employment. It's also changed our business because we do that function internally. Before fabric printing, we'd externalize it. So we used to have a lot more costs in bringing in the stock, flying it in, bringing it to site. Also, the other suppliers of fabric weren't as deadline driven as we are. So it's also helped us in terms of meeting deadlines, enhanced our business offering, and the ability to work 24/7, 365 days a year. This is an amazing program, and I really do encourage other businesses to apply for this. I've actually recommended this program to 1 or 2 other companies because it's just really a fantastic program, and it's enabled our business to grow, create employment, and just better for South Africa. The IDC and the DTI are making a huge difference in helping businesses to get funding and to actually buy machinery and actually grow their businesses and create employment. It's given me a huge hope for the future because it's enabled us to buy better technology, to have better capacity, to better capabilities, and so be more competitive.
As production manager, I'm always hands-on. I know exactly what's coming in and what's going out. Before we had the new textile printer, and afterwards there's actually a vast difference. I would say that our turnover has increased between 55 to 64%. That's what it actually meant for the business, and that's just at the beginning stages, but obviously it's just going to increase and increase as we go along. We started off with 5 employees. Before the new system arrived, we're standing at a quantity of 9 now. So apart from that, yes, it's making us more profitable. The fact also remains that we create job opportunities.
I can be able to do a lot of things to my family, especially to look after my family, to manage to do this and that, to manage to help them where it's needed. It's really important. I didn't know anything about the fabric. I didn't know a lot of things, but since I was here, I learned a lot of things, different things. I know now that I can transfer. I know about printing, I know about fabrics, I know about cutting. I can fix if there's problems. I learned a lot of things, and I thank Scan for that. I thank them a lot.
The new machine is okay to us, but when it comes, it was difficult. But when we were taught how to use it, now we can use it nicely. We can transfer nicely, and we can come here and measure and cut and stitch. I had lots of training at the job. It has benefited me a lot because I now get a permanent job. Well, where I was working, I was temporary, but here I'm permanent. My life has improved because I've learned a lot of things.
I just want to thank DTI for their support. I think it's a great thing they're doing for the country. I think they're a great thing they're doing for supporting entrepreneurs and risk takers to make it easier to acquire machinery and therefore create employment and improve capabilities and capacity. So thank you very much to the DTI.